presenting Lila Nobis. I can't see your face, Lila. What are you doing?
I'm doing dinosaur leg.
You're doing a what? What? What are you doing?
Something that we learn at dance.
What is it exactly?
Dinosaur move.
It's called a dinosaur move? Can you get your hair out of your face? I can't. You took your thing out. Oh. I see that this is interpretive dance, isn't it? I like your polka dots. I think. Oh, just kiss my camera.
Yeah.
Who was that kiss for?
Grandpa.
That was for Grandpa? Grandpa and Grandma? Turkey Lurkey Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
You know we're going there this Christmas. Can you say goodnight to them?
Good night. I love you.
Wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I gotta go.
Good night.
Good night.